viewers, you're welcome to Sonia's Kitchen again, and today's menu is going to be on chicken curry sauce. The ingredients we'll be needing today will be 1 teaspoon of coriander, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, half teaspoon of black pepper with half cup of peanuts blended dry. First of all, I'm going to roast the coriander, cumin, and black pepper. We'll have 1.5 teaspoon of curry, 1 tablespoon of turmeric, 1 can of mushrooms, 2 green bell peppers, 4 small sized tomatoes, 8 hot peppers, 4 sticks of carrot, 2 cups of coconut milk, ginger and garlic, salt and seasoning, 1 whole chicken marinated overnight cut into chunks with the bones, 1 tablespoon of lime juice until fresh basil leaves roughly turn. Let's go cook. The first step will be to roast the spices. In here I have the cumin, I have the coriander, and I have the black pepper. So I'm just going to roast it a bit. Okay, it's perfect. And next I'm going to be stir frying the chicken. I have here about a tablespoon of oil. Stir fry the chicken. Mind you, I have everything of the chicken in here. The legs, the wings, the gizzard, the liver, of course, the legs. And so it's 5 minutes on this part, and the other side. So in here I have the peanuts, the roasted cumin, black pepper, and the coriander. So I'm going to blend. In goes the garlic and ginger. I'm going to fry for 2 minutes. Then the curry and thyme. My coconut water. And the blended spice. My salt, seasoning, and I allow it to simmer for 5 minutes. So I'll be adding a cup of water. You can see because of the peanut inside, the sauce is already thickened. The chicken goes in. The carrots, the tomatoes, the mushrooms, the bell pepper. So I'm going to allow it to cook for 10 minutes. Now the pepper. Remember how hot you want it is the quantity you'll be adding. Until it's 10 minutes, and I'm going to roughly tear in the basil leaves. And so our curry sauce is ready.